It starts with a beam of light. Mapping transforms every signal into deeper insight. Introducing Zenmuse L3, DJI's first long-range aerial LiDAR system. 1535 nanometer LiDAR, dual 100 megapixel RGB mapping cameras, a high-precision POS system, and a 3-axis gimbal. Zenmuse L3 delivers breakthrough performance. The new laser module offers a finer spot size. Detection range extends up to 950 meters, overcoming dramatic elevation changes. Dual 100 megapixel cameras provide a wide FOV. With only 20% side overlap for point cloud acquisition, capture both high overlap RGB imagery and LiDAR data. L3 supports flight altitudes up to 500 meters. Mapping at 1 to 500 or 1 to 1000 accuracy is easily achieved. On paved roads, point cloud thickness is under 3 centimeters, ensuring exceptional detail. Laser pulse frequency is adjustable, with support for up to 16 returns, greatly enhancing penetration capability. Star-shaped scanning with real-time terrain follow captures high-quality ground points. Pair Zenmuse L3 with Matrice 400 and set a new benchmark for efficiency. Map up to 100 square kilometers per day. Ideal for topographic surveys, power corridor inspections, site investigation and design, and mine mapping. With multiple outputs in a single flight, repeat field operations are minimized. Long-range capability eliminates detours during power line follow operations. A single scan delivers complete point clouds, even for super tall transmission towers. This time, Zenmuse L3 brings a complete workflow for data capture, processing, and application. Before takeoff, Smart Flight Parameter Recommendation enables an intuitive preview of point cloud results. During flight, split-screen views clearly track mapping progress. Quick measurements from real-time point cloud data are available directly on the remote controller. Even without network coverage, DRTK3 ensures precise positioning, vastly extending operational reach. Powered by DJI Terra's robust processing engine and PPK calculation, massive datasets are managed with ease. Point cloud data now supports 3D Gaussian fusion reconstruction, enabling outstanding results in complex structure modeling. Zenmuse L3 also offers a complete suite for data applications. With DJI Modify, rapidly edit and refine models. Smart Filter enables fast, intuitive point cloud classification. Support for multiple output formats meets the needs of diverse industries. This is the all-new Zenmuse L3, a fully integrated hardware and software solution. Long-range performance and high efficiency, making aerial mapping more accessible and unlocking new frontiers.